Hello viewers, if you are looking for a smartphone that will be best in the camera section and if you have a budget above 50,000 rupees, then you can buy Vivo V40 Pro. This is an upgrade from V30 Pro. Actually, a lot of features from X series have been included into this camera. This time you can get all the JICE modes and JICE camera along with this V40 Pro. So if you are interested to buy this smartphone, you can buy because it has all the features that a smartphone needs to become the best in all segments. Actually, this phone is targeted for those audience who want to get best photos from their smartphone. However, the video quality will also be great. On the front, you will get 6.78 inches 1.5K AMOLED display, and the display is gorgeous. As you can see here, the color seems to be very good and it has a good punchiness, and also it comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, so you will thoroughly enjoy, and multimedia consumption on this phone will be excellent. You can play 4K 60 HDR videos with this phone, and the color seems to be very nice. Actually, the display quality is excellent. I think this is a Samsung panel, though Vivo has not specified anything. This time Vivo has given everything right. It comes with stereo speakers, so in Amazon Prime also you can see that the color pops out and you will thoroughly enjoy your multimedia content on this smartphone. And also at the front you will get 50 megapixel front camera, and you can see that the camera hole is very tiny, so it will not disturb you while watching movies or anything on the display. Now if you talk about the camera settings, you will get the regular Vivo settings along with this camera. However, in portrait mode, Vivo has included a lot of JICE modes. Using the portrait mode, you can use various focal length, so you will have great portrait photos. Plus it has telephoto lens, so you can also get zoomed photo. Now talking about the price of this smartphone, the price of 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage will be around 56,000 rupees, as you can see here. And if you apply SBI credit card, in that case you will get a cashback of 5,600 rupees. So the effective price of this device will be 50,399 rupees after applying HDFC or SBI credit card. You can also exchange any product. In that case also you will get 5,600 cashback, but you will not get both the benefits at the same time. As you can see here, the specifications have been mentioned by Vivo. Actually, this is a very good phone. You can buy this if you want to use this smartphone for long-term usage. This time battery also has been increased with a 80-watt charger. Plus you will get all the necessary camera modes and you will thoroughly enjoy this smartphone. Have you pre-booked this smartphone? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. I think this is a great phone. If you want to spend around 50,000 rupees, you will get the value of your money if your priorities are the cameras. This phone has the best camera setup under this price bracket of 50,000 rupees. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.